Right, number 27. 3 halves y minus 1/4 x equals 2/3 minus 3 halves y. 1/2 x plus 3 halves equals py plus 9 halves. In the given system of equations, p is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of p? All right, look at these two equations. We have x's and we have y's, but we don't have any x squared, y squared, x cubed, y cubed, just x's and y's. These are lines. So a system of equations that are two lines and it has no solutions. There's only three options when it comes to lines. If you have a system of equation that is two lines, they either cross, in which case you have one solution. They are the same line on top of each other, in which case they have infinite solutions, or they are parallel and there is no solution. So this system has no solution. The lines must be parallel. Lines that are parallel have one thing in common. They have the same slope. Always. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put both of these lines into y equals mx plus b, or slope-intercept form, to see what slopes we got going on. So our first one, 3 halves y minus 1/4 x equals 2/3 minus 3 halves y. Okay, I want the y all by itself. So first I'm going to move this one over by adding 3 halves y to both sides. So on the left, I have 3 halves plus 3 halves, or 6 halves y, minus 1/4 x equals 2/3. Those canceled out. All right, so 6 halves y, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So I'm going to replace that. It's 3. All right, 3y minus 1/4 x equals 2/3. I want this 1/4 x to move over. So I'm going to add 1/4 x to both sides, and I get 3y equals 1/4 x plus 2/3. Now, I want y by itself, so I need to divide by 3. When you are dividing fractions by 3, the other way you can look at it is you are multiplying by 1/3. That can make this a little bit easier. So again, dividing by 3, right, so over on the side, is the same as multiplying by 1/3. This is going to come back in just a minute. All right, so on the left, I'm multiplying by 1/3, and on the right, I need to multiply everything by 1/3. So on the left, it cancels out. I just get y. On the right, 1/3 times 1/4 is 1/12 x. And then 2/3 times 1/3 is 2/9. Okay, so there is my first equation. I'm going to write it over here. Y equals 1/12 x plus 2/9. Okay, I'm going to erase all this. We're going to start over with the second equation. All right, so our second one is 1/2 x. That was an awful 2. That was just bad. All right, 1/2 x. I know I'm not great with writing on a computer screen with a stylus, but you'd think I could do better than that, right? Plus 3 halves equals p times y plus 9 halves. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get p by itself. First, I'm just going to rewrite this so everything's on the left, everything's on the right. I'm just swapping it. I think it's a little easier. So py plus 9 halves equals 1/2 x plus 3 halves. I just swapped them, just flipped them. You know, they're both equal to each other, so you can change the whole thing. All right, now I'm going to start moving things. So I'm going to move this 9 halves. I'm going to subtract 9 halves from both sides. And on the left, I have py equals 1, and on the right, I have 1/2 x. And 3 halves minus 9 halves is -6 halves, or 6 divided by 2 is 3. All right, so 1/2 x minus 3. Now, do you remember in that previous one, when we got to the point where it was 3y equals We needed to get y by itself, so we divided by 3, which is the same as multiplying by a third. Okay, so we don't know what the p is right here, but we know I need to divide everything by p, or because it's a fraction, I need to do the same as multiply by 1 over p. Same difference. Divide by 3, multiply by a third. Divide by p, multiply by 1 over p. Okay, so same sort of thing. I'm actually going to, random ruler out of nowhere. I'm actually going to write these out a little. I'm going to spread them out a little bit. 1/2 x minus 3. Okay, so then I can say I need to multiply everything by 1 over p. Okay, but what is that p? What is my goal? They said was if the system has no solution, what is the value of p? And remember we said this is the same slope. Same slope is they have no solution. What is the slope of this line over here? When it's y equals mx plus b, m times x plus b, that m, the number multiplied by x, is our slope. So the slope of this line, or m, is 1/12. So I need the slope of this line to be 1/12. Right now we're at 1/2. So whatever p is, to go to divide by p or multiply by 1 over p, same thing. I'm going to just zero in on this right here. What's happening? I'm going to have 1 over p, and it's going to be multiplied by 1/2 x, and that slope is got to get to 1/12. What number would go here to get to, forget about the x there for a second, just look at those two. 1p times 1 over 2, 1/2. What's to get to 1/12? The numbers together on top, 1 times 1 equal 1. Okay, so on the bottom I have 2 times p equals 12. 2 times what equals 12? 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. P has to be 6. And let's double check that up here. Let's go back in and just say, what if p is 6? Then I would need to divide by 6, which is the same as multiplying by 1/6. Let me erase this down here. And then on the left, I would just have y. And then right there, I would have 1/12 x. And I would have minus 3/6 or 1/2. And hey, we've got it. There's our 1/12 x, 1/12 x. They both have the same slope. So what we said here, that p is 6, is correct. And that is my answer. P is 6. And congratulations, you made it to the end. Woohoo! Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, if this was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know so I can keep helping you and others like you. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Also, if you're interested in practical or fun math-related items like this math clock or this hopefully humorous t-shirt, click on the links down below to check out my Spreadshop and Etsy stores. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.